this is where you feel it. So this is the low pressure. The pump condenser pushes the high pressure through the inside the evaporator in front, the cooling and everything.
With the cap not being there, allow it to leak out.
Yeah.
Probably the AC guy that took it off, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always take these off. They come back in a while.
And then you'll know it's the right size because this thing only fits on one side. Typically,
So the AC is on full?
It's on full blast. The switch is on, so the condenser actually uses a native ground to activate the clutches inside of it. So I made sure it was on and see if the compressor was firing its clutches and it's not moving. So there's a low pressure switch or a high pressure switch right there. And if there's not enough pressure, it'll shut off the AC condenser. So by putting the fluid over there now, it'll activate that switch. So that's what we're doing now.
Is the switch the top or the bottom?
The top one.
This is the switch.
Pressure switch, yeah.
So when you're using those type of, they are like cans, you twist it all the way down to pop the top?
Function the top, yeah.
Okay, and then open it all the way up?
And then every can's different. This one has like a little rubber seal on it, so the pressure of the can will seal it up again. So you gotta kind of find a sweet spot. You do your first puncture, and then you kind of back off a little bit, and you try to see if you back it off too much, then it's gonna reseal the can.
Like it freezes up?
No, there's a little rubber float that's on the very top seal. And if you back it up all the way, then it's going to reseal. So you got to find out where that's at. Sometimes this doesn't work. Like it won't.
Yeah.
Do it. I can back it all the way off. And there's nothing happening. So at this point, what I do is I'll free it from the adapter here, and I'll do one of these. Okay, I'll start here, and I'll count 1 turn, 2 turns, 3 turns, 4 turns, 5 turns, 6 turns, 7 turns, 8 turn, 9 turn. It's not coming.
Because you'd usually hear that coming out of the can, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's under high pressure.
You want a crescent wrench?
No, it shouldn't go inside of one of these. So there's a little metal tang in there, right?
Like a pin.
A pin.
Almost like a firing pin.
And so by that time, see that little rubber seal in there?
Yeah.
That's detenting it. It pushes it down. But it isn't so
Cool. Learning 101 today about,
nice.
what do they call this? It's not antifreeze, this is freon.
This is actually the ammonia-based freon. The old style freon, they don't make anymore. But this is
That was R12, wasn't it?
It was R13.
R13. And now it's something else, is it?
It's R134A or something
Yeah,
like that.
okay.
So,
Which is supposed to be better for the environment? Is that the key to that?
yes, the ozone. Supposed to be ammonia based.
We definitely need the ozone.
Yeah, so it's not working.
Okay,
So I brought an extra one.
okay.
So tap on. This for sure is gonna blow out. So I'll put it on. Attach it in here.
Attach it to the top of the condenser.
Well, each car is different. Some is on the condenser, some's on the line. You just gotta find the small jack.
Okay, so
one. This is a big fatty boy. See how big and fat that is?
yeah.
That adapter's not gonna fit on there.
Okay, so then on every car, there's a different size for the input and the output.
High pressure and low pressure.
High pressure and low pressure.
Now we're gonna punch in faster to see the fires. So I feel it puncturing now. It's getting tight. And then once I'm all the way in, I'll back it off. And with this can, you can back it off all the way because you got the puncture steel.
Ah, I hear it. I hear it running through the lines.
So it's pressurizing. I'm going to turn it upside down, which is pressurizing fluid in it.
Ah, you hear it?
Condenser's kicking on because the pressure switch is activated. Now you feel the can getting cold. You don't want to touch it because it's light. It wasn't cold like this before, which tells you that it's starting to fill the system.